Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can apply a phone frame on top of your videos in CapCut PC. So I'm just going to select like a portrait video, or you can like mask it later, but I'm just going to select a portrait one, and I'm going to select the 9:16. I'm going to make it smaller so you guys can see the frame. So download a like PNG frame of like a phone, and you're just going to adjust it to your video. Then select your video, go to mask and select the rectangle one, and you're going to adjust it to the frame like this. And you're just going to round out the edges a little bit. And I would just like to right click and create compound clips so it's all in like one piece. You can change the background if you'd like to, but that is pretty much it. Really super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.